White ambulance, bravo. He's telling me everything that he's seen on the TV.
Yellow school bus.
Yellow school bus, bravo. Oh my god. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. As you guys can see, I am working out. I'm working out on this fateful Monday morning. It's good that I'm alive and I'm well and I'm feeling good and feeling the positive vibes as usual. It's Monday, it's a brand new day, and a lot of people do not wake up to see this morning, and I'm one of those privileged few to wake up and see this morning. So I am humble and I'm grateful and I'm thankful that I can be here killing this workout, crushing this workout. On that note, hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Make sure you guys get your workout in. My handsome one is off to work and Tyler is somewhere around here watching TV. Tyler, come here, baby, come here. Tyler has been a good sport as usual, so mama can get her mommy time in. Papa is at work. Can you say good morning, Faves? How are you? What? I don't know what you're saying. The grass? Yeah? What about the grass? You want shoes? You have to go for the shoes so mama can put it on for you. You want your Spider-Man shoes? Okay, so go get your Spider-Man shoes. My baby is just talking and I'm loving it. I'm loving every bit of it. You guys, I have so much to get done this morning before I head off to work. Baby's coming home to take care of Tyler today, so I don't have to go drop him at daycare. So at least I'll get some more stuff done today before I head out. Yeah, so that's what's up right now. I just finished running 50 minutes on the treadmill, and I don't know if when I tell you guys that I run, you guys think that I run completely and don't stop. You don't find it? It's in your room. I stop like 2-3 times along the way, like a minute, and then start up again. So when I say I run 50 minutes, that's what I mean. So I just finished running 50 minutes. I'm still hot, I'm still pumped, I'm still sweating, and I like when it's like that, the same energy to go through to do the abs. So I'm going to jump in and do the abs real quick before I get cold and the vibes kind of drift away. So yeah, catch you guys after I finish doing my workout, and make sure you guys get your workout in. Love you guys. Catch you guys in a bit. Yes, cover. Yeah, no, boss, not today. Tomorrow, okay? No. Yeah, we nap right now, okay? Bye. I love you. You guys, I have been just busy trying to get some editing done, and I finally put Tyler down for a nap after feeding him lunch, and I think I'm going to have a lunch and try to sneak in a little nap before he wakes up. There you go. I am tired, so I'm really tired from workout this morning, so I'm going to catch a little lunch and then catch a nap before he wakes up. The outcome of dinner. Fish is there. Yes, baby, yellow school bus and steamed veggies there. Tyler going to have a little bit of the veggie, some of the fish, and baby's going to cook some of this pasta for him. So yeah, that's dinner. Hey guys, I just finished cooking. Black police car. I just finished cooking and get ready for work and actually waiting on babe to arrive so I can head out right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys that I'll see you guys later. Have a good afternoon.
White ambulance.
White ambulance, bravo. He's telling me everything that he's seen on the TV. Yellow school bus, bravo.
Red fire truck.
Red fire truck, bravo. It actually is the red fire truck coming next.
What's the fire truck?
Red fire truck, bravo, baby.
Green garbage truck.
Green garbage truck, bravo.
Black police car.
Black police car, very good.
White ambulance.
Right ambulance.
Yellow school bus.
Yellow school bus, bravo. Come give mama bisou. Smart boy. Mwah. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Oh.
I love you. Orange van. Yes, orange van. He just really care about what is going on right now, you guys. Anyway, you guys, I'm out. Later.
Hi guys, I'm back. Hi guys, Wait Tyler, so I'm back from work. I'm taking care of Tyler while baby's at work. Like you can see, he's quiet, but I just turned down the TV, so he's kind of excited and I think he wants back his TV. He's playing, he's quiet, playing his car, playing his... that's something with Tyler since recently, I'm gonna say that. He started to play alone and yeah, play cars and play a lot of things by himself. So yeah, it started to be this time. That's very good. I'm actually cooking, just cooking some pasta. Can go together in the kitchen. So yeah, the boil is. I'm waiting on the water to boil. Here's some vegetables that babe cook. Here's some fish. Right, that's some white fish. So I'm gonna get some for Tyler, and that's the pasta that I'm gonna cook for Tyler. Oops. Yeah, coquillette. We call coquillette in French. Yes, I'm just gonna cook his food. Play a little bit with him. He's not even 7, so Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Make sure that when babes come back from work, she have nothing to do in terms of I'm gonna take all the clothes out of the line and do different things. So yeah, it was an okay day for me. Very busy at work and didn't have time to do much things. But that's sometimes you have days like this, and yeah, it's getting cold. It was very cold today. Hi guys, so I'm gonna leave you. Gonna finish to cook. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. So dinner is ready. I'm gonna show you what dinner, Tyler dinner looks like. Alright, so some pasta, fish, and some vegetables, carrots, and I guess I don't know what is it exactly. Some vegetables there. Yeah, some pasta and fish. Alright, so Tyler, hopefully Tyler gonna eat everything. Yes, I'm gonna feed him now. It's almost 7, and then I'm gonna get ready to get babe.
Guys, I'm just serving you guys realness in these vlogs, okay? So who don't like realness, just don't watch these vlogs, because I give you no makeup, I give you going to bed hairstyle, I just give you what I have, okay? Trust me. You guys, I've been back home and babe and I watched 2 episodes of Scandal, and we're heading to bed because I'm tired. I want to go for another episode, but I want to sleep, and I know that tomorrow morning is a workout morning and I'm very tired. I'm very tired, so you're hilarious. I'm very tired, so I need to get my rest. So we're just coming on to end today's vlog and give you the expression. What's the French expression for today?
French expression for today is avoir un cheveu sur la langue.
Go on.
So avoir un cheveu sur la langue literally means to have a hair on the tongue.
What?
To have a hair on the tongue, like a hair on the tongue. Avoir un cheveu sur la langue. It simply means when somebody talking and and you can't understand, and you say you have a hair on your tongue. Understand?
Okay.
So that's the French expression when somebody talking to you and I'm not talking about the person who do that because lift tongues. That's different. It's somebody that don't articulate, somebody that don't open his mouth when he talk. Yeah, we say avoir un cheveu sur la langue.
Well, the Jamaican expression is going to roll off that. When
No. You have to say it. Avoir un cheveu sur la langue.
Avoir un cheveu sur la langue.
Right.
So you guys, the Jamaican expression is going to roll off that one. And when in Jamaican somebody chatting and you can't understand anything that they say, we say you are chat gibberish. Simply mean you're talking everything and we can't understand nothing that you're saying. Yeah, chat gibberish.
Yeah, chat gibberish.
Yes.
Every night, baby, you chat gibberish.
Me?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, chat gibberish.
You idiot.
Yeah, chat gibberish.
Okay, babe. But like I said, I've been chatting gibberish. I don't know that I'm talking gibberish.
Yeah, you didn't know because I was nice and I didn't want to tell you.
He's hilarious. You're stupid.
Waiting on this moment to tell you.
Really?
Yeah.
You idiot.
True.
Anyway, you guys. There you guys have the French and the Jamaican expression. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
You guys, catch up and keep up. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Subscribe if you are new. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.